Okay, so in the last class, what we were discussing was we were talking about the nucleus, which is also considered as the master cell organelle of our cell. Introduction part of the nucleus we have talked about. We have also talked about the number of nucleus that is present in a cell, right? As far as the shape is concerned, all those informations we have already completed in the last class. Today we'll start the class by structure of the nucleus. So heading koriba structure of the nucleus, and you have to draw. Okay. Structure to draw for us. So we know that the nucleus is a double membrane structure. Rough diagram এটা আঁকিলো। So talking about this one obviously is endoplasmic reticulum. Right? Is the diagram distinct?
Yes, ma'am.
Right? So talking about a nucleus is a double membrane cell organelle, outer membrane, inner membrane. The space between the two membranes, আমি কি বলি perinuclear space. Next, we have something called as the nuclear lamina. Here details will write down. Next, inside content is called as nucleoplasm. We have a dense condensed area that is called as the nucleolus. We see the ribosomes, and the thread-like structure is called as chromatin network. And from the outer surface, we see the origin of endoplasmic reticulum. So we'll be writing certain points. So not likha. Right? So we are writing the points. So interphase nucleus is differentiated into these four parts, right? Interphase nucleus, I think last class we have talked about, right? The interphase nucleus. Why we are writing interphase nucleus and not nucleus? Because remember we have talked about the dividing nucleus and the non-dividing nucleus, right? So non-dividing nucleus এটাতে আমি কি দেখা পাম? Chromatin network দেখা পাম. So in this structure, since we are talking about this material as chromatin network and not chromosomes, so we are talking about it as interphase nucleus. So এইটা হল part. তার উপরেও, apart from these four parts to be distinct, we have something called as a nuclear lamina, right? A nuclear lamina the point লিখিব লাগিব. Nuclear laminar muscle, it regulates DNA replication and cell division. Next is what exactly is nuclear lamina. It is a network of acidic proteins and intermediate fibers. Right? So these are the 2 points about nuclear lamina that we have to know. Now, nuclear lamina কি হয়? Nothing but কিছুমান এটা fiber or a structure, right? And which fiber to be specific? Intermediate fibers. Remember, we have talked about intermediate fibers before. Cytoskeleton যেতিয়া আমি discuss কৰিছিলো, what we said is it is made up of, the skeleton is made up of certain proteinaceous filaments. আৰু কেনেকুৱা ধৰণৰ আছে? Microtubules, microfilaments and intermediate fibers. I think you remember that. And while we were discussing about intermediate fibers, you remember something called as it forms a network around the nucleus. Understand this statement too? Intermediate fibers are আমি কেইটামান পইণ্ট ডিসকাস কৰিছিলো ন the first point is specific কোনো shape and size নাই right jote present accordingly they are assigned the names right and the most important thing that we have studied is the nucleus to basket around the nucleus kune form kore so intermediate fibers a basket around the nucleus and which basket we are talking about this one right fiber is not like this eneke dotted ke nathake aru if you talking about this as a nucleus ekhinte kisman fibers something like this this is just a way to represent so kisman fibers thakibo fibers e basket এনেকুৱা ধৰণৰ এটা structure form কৰিব right this is what is supposed to be the basket and inside the basket would be the nuclear material is the point clear so nuclear lamina we have already written now we go to the next point we'll start discussing these three parts of a nucleus first we'll start with nuclear envelope is this part over
Yes, ma'am.
so next heading koriba nuclear envelope nuclear envelope lekha it bounds the nucleus on the outside and separates it from the cytoplasm. So cytoplasm of properly separate kore it is the nuclear envelope. The second point, it is made of two membranes. Right? So inner membrane, outer membrane, দুইটাকে একেলগে কি বুলি কয় nuclear envelope. The inner membrane and the outer membrane. The inner membrane is considered as smooth. Why is it considered as smooth? Because ribosomes are not present in the inner membrane. Our outer membrane may be smooth. Is this part of the board visible? মই য'ত smooth word to লিখিছো এইখিনি visible হৈছে নাই?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
It's not visible, no?
No, ma'am.
Just a second. I think now it's visible.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Okay. Right? So inner membrane ribosomes nathake ekhane it is considered as smooth. Outer membrane may be smooth or it might have ribosomes. And whenever we are talking about ribosomes, kuntu ribosomes thakibo? Ribosomes are 4 and 78 are 80s. Nucleus of kenukwa dhoroner ribosomes thakibo? যেটো আমি inner membrane ribosomes for দেখিছো kenukwa dhoroner ribosomes thakibo? ATS type, right? So this is the second point. Next, it is present in the eukaryotic nucleus except during late prophase stage.
Ma'am, A2 point to a nuclear envelope again, no?
हाँ, एक गोटेकिटा point nuclear envelope.
Yes, ma'am.
Right. So nuclear envelope of first point, it bounds the nucleus. It separates the contents from the cytoplasm. Second, made up of two membranes. One is smooth, the outer membrane may be smooth, or it might have ribosome. Second, it is present in nuclear envelope. But the nuclear envelope is present in the eukaryotic nucleus. Obviously, we know this, no? Prokaryote, eukaryote, basic difference. Then, in case of prokaryote, nuclear membrane na thake. In case of eukaryote, you see the nuclear membrane. Right. So it is present in the eukaryotic nucleus except during in the eta phase of. We have already talked about cell division, and when we have talked about cell division, I think you remember prophase of ki hoy nuclear membrane kon disappear ho jay. So it is present there except during the late prophase stage of cell division. I think these are the points that you understand.
मैम अपन लेट प्रोफेज क्यों मेटाफेज बोला करो एनाफेज
Oh no, it starts from prophase of isab to obviously metaphase hobo, you know. And if you want to write, you can write it down. Prophase, metaphase, anaphase, and starts appearing during telophase.
Okay, ma'am.
Right. I mean, at a specifically late prophase kyo koso, and prophase is divided into three parts. I mean, three stages, no? Early, mid, aru late. To be precise, early prophase of the nuclear membrane kon thake ne na thake. Early prophase of thake, mid prophase of thake. It's only during the later phase of prophase the naikya hoy. That is the reason why we are writing it down. So this also indicates that metaphase aru na thakibo, anaphase aru na thakibo. Telophase be careful. Next, it is absent in nuclear envelope is absent in code absent hobo.
Prokaryotes.
Prokaryotes.
It is absent in prokaryotes. But prokaryotic nucleus likhibo pora, prokaryotic cell likhibo pora. Next. The space between the two membranes is called perinuclear space. Already mark for this one. Actually, perinucleolar নহয়, perinuclear বুলি লিখাটো বেছি better. Diagram of perinuclear space বুলি লিখিবা. So these are the points about the first part that we are discussing, that is nuclear envelope. So these are points worded enough. So as we have written before, interphase nucleus of 5 part, I mean this basic, I mean details of it. This is the first one. If this is over, okay. I'll write a boost to mark for diagram. Another structure associated with this. কোনো মোক কোৱাও নাই মেম মাৰ্ক কৰা নাই বুলি এই জেগাখিনি কি বুলি কয় the space between the two membranes
Nuclear pore.
Nuclear pore. So when we are discussing the nuclear envelope, we have to talk about nuclear pore also. Is this point over?
Second point to one.
Okay, लिख लो. The space between the two membranes is called as perinuclear space.
Full ma'am.
Next लिखिबा nuclear pore. So we know that membranes are not continuous, right? It has a space in between, and it is কি বুলি কওঁ? Nuclear pore. What is the function of the nuclear pore? Nucleocytoplasmic movement to বা continuity to maintain কৰে. Nucleus of a বস্তু cytoplasm হলে যাব লাগিব, কেনেকে যাব? Pore. So nuclear pore information is also called as nuclear openings. Function. It controls the process of substance in and out of the nucleus. And when we are talking about these substances, like substance, it could be RNA, it could be proteins, etc. Now, another point about nuclear pore is the nuclear pore is অনবৰতে এই nuclear pores বিলাক open হৈ নাথাকে হা কিবা এটা বস্তুৰে এটো close হৈ থাকে and that is what is called as annulus লিখি আছো চোৱা nuclear pores are plugged by a protein structure that is called as annulus. Annulus কি হয়? A cylinder of protein. তার মানে nuclear pore plus annulus will make nuclear pore complex. Okay, coming to this diagram again. So we have seen the outer membrane and the inner membrane continuous নহয় ইয়াতে কিছুমান space থাকে and the space is called as the nuclear pore. What is the function? It controls the passage in and out of the nucleus. It goes to this is the pathway. Right. Next, nuclear pores বিলাকত কি থাকে? Nuclear pore complex এটা থাকে. একদম open কে এনেকে না থাকে ইয়াতে কিছুমান protein structure থাকে right this nuclear pore and the protein cylinder that is called as the annulus ultimately ইয়াতে কি থাকিব nuclear pore complex থাকিব so pore to যেতিয়া আমি nuclear pore কথা কওঁ don't think as if it's a blank area right একদম blank তো হ'ব নোৱাৰে blank হলে দেখোন continuous movement হৈ থাকিব ন so তাতে কি হয় কিছুমান এটা complex আছে এই complex ৰ নাম কি nuclear pore complex what does the complex consist of it consists of that space the pore and the cylinder of protein that is called as annulus talking about how it look like ekini hol niki first point to hoise second no
Yes, ma'am. So suppose we are talking about this one as a nuclear membrane.
এখন ধৰা outer membrane, এখন inner membrane. Similarly, এখন ধৰা outer membrane, এইখিনি inner membrane. এই দুটা এই জেগাখিনিক আমি কি বুলি কম নিউক্লিয়াৰ প'ৰ. ইয়াতে কি থাকিব এটা প্ৰটিন সিলিন্ডাৰ থাকিব. Right, and it is through this যে তাৰ processটো হ'ব. ইমান ডিটেইলছত নালাগে, জাষ্ট দেখাই দিছো. Just to have an idea about the nuclear pore complex. So this is the membrane, right? মাজৰ স্পেচখিনি নিউক্লিয়াৰ প'ৰ হয়, তাত কি থাকে এটা প্ৰটিন চিলিণ্ডাৰ থাকে আৰু তাক আমি কি বুলি কওঁ এনিউলাছ, ৰাইট? এনিউলাছৰ থ্ৰুৰে কানেকশ্যন বা পাছেছ বিলাক হৈ থাকে. নেক্সট এটা ষ্ট্ৰাকচাৰ দেখিছো, নট ভেৰি ইম্পৰ্টেণ্ট ফ্ৰম এক্সামিনেশ্যন পইণ্ট অফ ভিউ. ইনাৰ মেমব্ৰেনত এখন লেমিনা থাকে, that is fibrillar or made up of fibers, right? That is called a fibrillar lamina. Its function কি তাৰ? It supports the inner membrane. এই দুটা পইণ্ট ইমান বেছি ইম্পৰ্টেণ্ট নহয়, কিন্তু নিউক্লিয়াৰ প'ৰ কমপ্লেক্স you should have an idea. Right? Next point. The nuclear pore permits mRNA to move out of the nucleus into the cytoplasm. Right? এই ডায়াগ্ৰামটোত য'ত আউটাৰ মেমব্ৰেন এণ্ড ইনাৰ মেমব্ৰেন আছে ন, তাতে এটা ৱৰ্ড লিখাচোন, এনেকে দুইটাকে হেৰি কৰি কানেক্ট কৰি also called as কি karyotype. Right? Itu diagram to over.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And the last point about nuclear pore is it maintains continuity between nucleocytoplasmic region, right? So we are discussing the different parts of a nucleus, right? Interphase nucleus or distinct side part dekha pao. The first part that we are discussing is about the nuclear envelope. When we talk about the nuclear envelope, it comprised of two membranes, outer membrane and the inner membrane, which one is smooth and the other may be smooth, and it can contain ribosomes also. We do not use the word rough, right? যেনেকে আমি endoplasmic reticulum ribosomes থাকিলে rough endoplasmic reticulum বুলি কৈছো no. So in case of a nucleus, generally we do not use as rough nuclear membrane or rough outer membrane, right? So eta smooth, eta may be smooth, or it might have. So both of them together are called as karyotheca. It's not continuous. It has a pore. Pore কিহৰ কাৰণে লাগে যে nucleocytoplasmic continuity, right? Nuclear pore কি থাকিব? Nuclear pore complex থাকিব, and is the complex exactly made of? It is, or what it consists? It consists of pore and together with that the protein structure. So এইখিনি আছিলে nuclear pore information. First part, that is nuclear envelope, we have completed. Next likha, the second distinct part is the nucleoplasm. Right? And we are talking about which part? We are talking about the substance that is present within the membrane. Into gel-like substance again, and we call nucleoplasm. Cytoplasm, right? Inside content of a cell. Nucleoplasm is the inside content of a nucleus. That is called as nucleoplasm. So points about nucleoplasm: it is transparent, semi-fluidic, and granular. It is made up of granular substances. It is also called as karyolymph. Next. Mainly made of nucleic acid, proteins, enzymes, lipids, and minerals. Right. So, কি থাকিব? Nucleic acid থাকিব. And when we are talking about the nucleic acid that is present inside the nucleus, a nucleic acids bilakor. We have mentioned about histone protein also. And nucleic acid বুলি ক'লে exactly কি কৈ আছে? So we are talking about DNA or RNA. They are found with or without histone proteins. Prokaryotes histone protein নাথাকে, eukaryotes histone protein থাকিব. Right? So what is the nucleoplasm? It's a transparent semi-fluidic granular structure. Granular লিখিলে হ'ব আৰু structure বা substance লিখিব নালাগে. Also called as karyolin, mainly consists of all the nucleic acid যোনখিনি আছে তাৰ histone proteins থাকিব বা নাথাকে. Next, we have to talk about certain enzymes that is present. So some of the enzymes. Next, we see the presence of certain minerals also, like phosphorus, potassium, sodium, calcium.
Number 3 to nucleoside কি লিখিছে?
Nucleoside phosphorylase, PHOS, PHORYLASE.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
So this was the information about the second part, that is the nucleolus. If this is over, third part লিখিবা nucleolus. Sorry, nucleoplasm information হ'ল, third part লিখিবা nucleolus. এইখিনি লিখিলো আগতে.
Yes, ma'am.
Done, ma'am.
Finished? Okay. Next, লিখা nucleolus. So in the nucleus, we see a condensed area, right? Right. So this area or is called as nucleolus. Nucleus also questions किया है. The most common question that has been asked is nucleolus organelle the membrane আছে নে নাই? Obviously the membrane less organelle, right? So next points আমি লিখিম. যদি suppose কোনোবাই chromosomes if you have studied, so can anyone tell me যে গোটেই nucleus টোত এই nucleolus বা এই condensed area আমি exactly ক'ত পাম? It's like this. It's not like this that since I am drawing in this position, that does not mean the nucleolus will always be towards the right hand lower. Specific position nathake. Kintu we have to know about that condition or that factor jot niki nucleolus to form koribo. Etia, do you have any idea? Agote jodi porisa janu ne? Have you heard something called as NOR? Nucleolar originating region or nucleolar organizing region, something related with chromosomes. So nucleus to ase, nucleus ভিতৰত কি আছে এইবিলাক কিছুমান genetic material আছে, chromatin or chromosomes. Chromosomes বুলি ক'লে, okay, we'll talk about it. Remember, have you heard something called as primary constriction? Primary constriction শুনিছা নেকি? ভিতৰত কি থাকে? Chromosomes বা chromatin network থাকে. Chromosomes structure টো যদি পঢ়িছা, chromosomes এটা constriction থাকে ন? সেই constriction টোক আমি primary constriction কওঁ. Primary constriction কি বস্তু জানো নেকি?
Centromere.
It is the centromere area. Okay. আৰু এই nucleolus টো ক'ত থাকিব? কোনখিনি জেগাত originate কৰিব? যোনবিলাক chromosomes secondary constriction থাকে. Just a way to say. Details মই অলপ পিছত কৈ আছো. So nucleolus কেইটামান points জানিব লাগিব. তাত লিখা discovered by Fontana, Fontana. Next, the term was given by Bowman. Now, what is the nucleolus? It is a spherical structure found in the nucleoplasm. Next point. It is not separated from the rest of the nucleoplasm Okay, so some agor statement ki likhisu that it is a spherical structure, it's a condensed structure, and it is found in a nucleoplasm. Second statement is that it is not separated from the rest of the nucleoplasm. Exactly what we are talking about. 8.2 per key indicates correct?
No membrane.
That it does not have a membrane. Very good. It is not separated from the rest of the nucleoplasm but since it does not have a membrane or boundary. Next, coming to the important function, it is the site for rRNA synthesis. Right? Next, what would be the, we have to talk about nucleolus, eta nucleus kiman thakibo ba eta cell kiman thakibo. So the next point is about its number. It is more in number, or that is etai thakibo, not necessary. It is more in number and larger in size cells in the cells participating in, or in the cells highly associated with protein synthesis. যোনবিলাক চেলছতে বেছিকে protein synthesis হয় সেইবিলাক চেলত number of the nucleus will be more, and obviously the size of the nucleus will also be more. And then the last point, আমি ক'ত পাম, where is it formed? The nucleolus is formed, or it forms around, or it remains attached to a special chromosome. So এইবিলাক কি ultimately genetic material লগতে কি connect হৈ আছে, এটো নহয় যে genetic material কি separate হৈ আছে, nucleolus separate হৈ আছে। এই condensed area টো আমি কিছুমান genetic material বা chromatin বা chromosomes বুলি ক'লে specific chromosomes associated with দেখা। So the nucleolus forms around, or it remains attached to a special chromosome having at a special chromosome. Now, key special, that this special chromosome will have a specific position called NOR, nucleolar organizing region. NOR of full form ahe etu saba aru secondary construction, it's same thing, right? So what does this point tells us, that exactly nucleus junto ami nucleolus pau, ei nucleolus pe report lagi thakibo, or it is found in a special type of chromosomes, or it remains attached in a special chromosome. Why is the chromosome called special? It is special because normally chromosomes bilakor okol primary construction into kisuman chromosomes hot ami secondary construction o dekha pao, jeta secondary construction hoy, because of secondary construction junto part form kore, that is called as satellite. আমি এবিলাক details of episode করিম, and in that secondary chromosome, in the secondary construction আমি কি দেখা পাও, the NOR region. আর যত NOR আছে nucleolar organizing region, তো কোনে form করবে? The chromosomes that has secondary construction ultimately forms the nucleolus. Is the point clear?
Yes, ma'am.
লিখি লোৱা So we have started the class by saying that our interphase nucleus, we can see 4 distinct parts: the nuclear envelope, the nucleoplasm, the nucleolus, and the fourth would be the chromatin network. So ekhini likha next jedi whole fourth likhiba chromatin. As far as secondary construction is concerned, with proper diagrams, আমি যেটা chromosomes discuss করিম, we'll draw at that time. Is it over?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. The fourth part becomes chromatin. Right? So what is chromatin? The thread-like structures that we see inside the interphase nucleus, that is called as chromatin. It is nothing but the genetic material. Now, from entrance point of view, maximum questions from this unit, no structure of a nucleus or pra, maximum questions for pra is chromatin or pra is. And if you have gone through a certain MCQ books, I think you have come across 2 words. Heterochromatin or euchromatin. Right? এই দুটাৰ ওপৰতে maximum questions আহিছে, so এইখিনি আমি discuss কৰিম. As of now, chromatin বুলি ক'লে, what is chromatin? It is nothing but the hereditary material of the nucleus. How do they look like? These are loose, extended, and diffused network of nucleoprotein fibers. So chromatin ki hoy? A network of loosely arranged nucleoprotein fibers. The name chromatin was given by Fleming. Right? Next, chromatins or the next point. The chromatin fibers condensed to form chromosomes. So nucleus or without chromosomes, chromosomes form correct. Chromatin. Condensation of chromatin network. Ketia dekha pao?
Cell division.
Cell division, correct, but the proper stage. Cell division বুলি ক'লে বহুত stage. You have to be specific, no? During
Question to K.
prophase. Question to hold, say chromatins বিলাক chromosomes বিলাক condense কৰে, right? তেতিয়াহে আমি chromosomes বিলাক দেখা পাওঁ. The question is condensation of chromosomes কেতিয়া হয়?
Prophase.
During prophase of cell division. Right? So chromatin কি হয়? Hereditary part. Network of fibers, nucleoprotein fibers, the term was given by, and it forms chromosomes because of condensation. Next. These are essentially composed of essentially made of or composed of লিখা DNA আৰু histone proteins. Histone proteins are function ki packaging of the DNA. Also contains RNA and non-histone proteins. Histone or non-histone protein genetics class or details of. Proteins. Right? So inside or in the nucleoplasm, you see certain thread-like structures. A thread-like structures chromatin. These are nothing but hereditary material. Because of the condensation of the chromatin, it transforms into chromosomes during the process of cell division, and to be precise, at which stage during prophase of cell division. Right? Next is when we talk about these, essentially key thake, they are made up of DNA and proteins. Histone proteins second, and apart from that, RNA is also present and non-histone proteins also present. Now we have to talk about the two types of chromatin, right? Ekini hol niki Swaphan?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Another point, since we're talking about chromatins, for eta cell, nucleus, and inside the nucleus, what you see is these thread-like structures. In order to see these thread-like structures, আমি কি কৰিব লাগিব? এনেইটো আমি দেখা নাপাওঁ, no? Distinctly চাবলে, if you want to see the chromatin network distinctly, what you have to do? যেনেকে আমি bacteria এটা inside চাবলে লাগিলে, আমি কি কৰিছিলো? Stain কৰিছিলো, no? We have talked about the bacterial stain, or we have talked about the gram stain. Similarly, if you want to see the contents clearly, if you want to see the process of cell division clearly, আমি কি কৰিব লাগিব? Stain কৰিব লাগিব. So, if you stain a nucleus, obviously nucleus stain kora, you have proper stains that are called as nuclear stains. Bacterial stains beleg ase, mitochondrial stain beleg ase, nuclear stain o beleg ase. We'll give the name afterwards. Once we stain the nucleus, what happens is this chromatin network takes up the stain and they become this stain. And after taking the stain, under the microscope we see certain parts of the chromosome being light in color or kisuman parts dark in color as far as staining is concerned. So chromatin network khiniye stain to loi lobo, kisuman chromatin light color hoi dekibo aru kisuman chromatin dark color hoi dekibo, and depending on this, the lighter part has a definite name and the darker part also has a definite name. So we have two names, that is euchromatin or heterochromatin. So chromatin network on the basis of staining is of two parts, that is two parts is of two different regions, that is euchromatin and heterochromatin. Depending on what the stain to kune loise, kisuman lightly stained ase, kisuman darkly stained ase. Eta kotha to hol nucleus to bitor genetic material the threads kini ase. Why is it like this, that some will be light in color and some will be dark in color? আমি যেতিয়া color টো দিছিলো বা when we have applied the stain, obviously we have applied it in the same ratio. It is not like this that first time we'll apply less, second time we'll apply more, not like that, no. Stain দি দিছো, কিছুমান fibers কমকে লৈছে, কিছুমান fibers বেছিকে লৈছে, and as a result they will appear light or darker in color. So can you guess as to why the different shade of color is visible? Are you understanding the point?
Ma'am, আৰু এবাৰ communicate.
মই কি কৈ আছো যে এটা নিউক্লিয়াছৰ if you want to see the inside content, what will you do? You have to stain the nucleus with a nuclear stain. When you stain the nucleus, the chromatin network gets stained. But after that, if you observe under a microscope, আমি কি দেখা পাওঁ যে কিছুমান chromatin area lightly stained হৈছে আৰু কিছুমান chromatin area darkly stained হৈছে. So what could be the reason behind that? কিছুমান lightly stained, কিছুমানে কমকে stained হৈছে, কিছুমান বেছিকে stained হৈছে. Or under the microscope, কিছুমানক আমি light color দেখিছো, suppose এটা পাৰ্টক আমি light দেখিছো, এটা পাৰ্টক আমি dark দেখিছো. What could be the reason behind? The reason is their arrangement. They loosely arranged as compared to the condensed area, no? Jadi ekini ekdom condensely ase, tete bahut chromatin ekelege thakibo, they will appear dark. Loosely arranged bilakok we will see lighter in color. Depending on their arrangement, কিছুমান region of আমি lightly color দেখা পাওঁ আৰু কিছুমান region of আমি darkly color দেখা পাওঁ, and accordingly we have two regions in chromatin, that is euchromatin and heterochromatin. And from entrance point of view, maximum question has been asked about euchromatin and heterochromatin. So we'll continue with chromatin. Next one. Right? So the chromatin is differentiated into two regions on the basis of staining. And by staining, what we understand, we are talking about the applying of the nuclear stain. Likha? Right? So two types, eta hol euchromatin aru eta hol heterochromatin. So I think now we can wrap this diagram. নহলে লিখিবলৈ দিগদাৰি হ'ব. অথনি যেনেকে লিখি দিছে সেইকনে কন্টিনিউ কৰিম। So দুইটাৰ composition আছে late replicating information or early replicating information. Okay, so on the basis of staining, we have heterochromatin and euchromatin. So question क्या है? The kunto darkly stained, kunto lightly stained, kunto condensed, kunto loosely arranged, kunto active, or kunto inactive. So heterochromatin, dark, inactive, and highly condensed. Euchromatin, light, loose, or active. Right? So you need to remember. One hint to remember is that will make the remembering easier. কি মনে ৰাখিবা? You are always light and active. এইটো যদি মনত ৰাখা তেতিয়াহলে you can very well answer the questions that are asked, right? Maximum question এইটোৱে খুদে যে কোন darkly stained, কোনটো lightly, কোনটো active, কোনটো inactive.
আমি এইটো হিন্টটো মই বুজি নাপালো। You are always light and active মানে
You are always light and active. So questions today, heterochromatin light, eukaryochromatin light. Right? Just to remember.
Yes, ma'am.
Right? Since the difference আমি কেটে দেখা পাম only when we stain, and obviously stain our specific nucleus chain আছে. One nucleus chain is acetocarmine. So acetocarmine, or it is also called as Fulgens chain, নালাগে acetocarmine টো মনত ৰাখিবা. যেনেকে আমাৰ mitochondrial chain এটা আছিলে, mitochondrial chain of কি নাম আছিলে? Janus green, right? Behavioral chain is Gram chain or crystal violet. ঠিক তেনেকে nucleus chain acetocarmine. So this is all about the structure of the nucleus. So today in the class, what we have discussed is we have talked about the structure, and in lump sum, what we can say when we talk about the structure, interphase nucleus of আমি কি দেখা পাও যে আমি চাৰিটা distinct structure বা চাৰিটা distinct part দেখা পাও of a nucleus, that is the nuclear envelope, the nucleoplasm, the nucleolus, and obviously the chromatin network. So respective each and every part আমি points কিছুমান discuss কৰিলো, and apart from this part you also have to remember about nuclear lamella. Nuclear lamella এনেকে definite বা distinct question আহে, খালি question এইটোৱে আহে যে basket around the nucleus কোনে form কৰে, it is the intermediate fibers, and which basket we are talking about, we are talking about nuclear lamella. Just see whether you have understood this portion or not. Transcription জানো নে? What is transcription?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So I think we understand non-transcribing chromatin or transcription. যোনখিনি chromatin network য'ত নেকি transcription process টো হয়, it's called as কি euchromatin. So question আহিব পাৰে transcription ক'ত occur কৰে, euchromatin নে heterochromatin? So it is always euchromatin. So এইকেইটা point আমি ভালকে পঢ়িম হা, এইখিনি important. And also called as late replicating or early replicating. Over.
Yes, ma'am.
So this was about nucleus. Next, we need to know about chromosomes. So heading koriba chromosomes. Right? Talking about chromosomes, some of the things we already know. Chromosomes কোনে form করে? Chromatin network এ form করে. Chromatin network কি হয়? The thread-like structures that is present inside the nucleus is called as chromatin, no? তাহাতে chromosomes form করে. Chromatin of chromosomes by which process? By the process of condensation. কেতিয়া হ'ব? During the process of cell division or during prophase, right? So apart from that, how does the structure of a chromosome look like? Our basic structure we have to study here. So we'll just start today. Obviously, as a শেষ নহয়. So chromosomes of first point লিখা discovered by of Mr. The name was given by will they are in higher organisms a well organized nucleus sorry contains a definite number of chromosome with chromosome of different shape and size. So talking about different organisms, number of chromosomes will have different hobo and plus talking about the size and the shape of a chromosome, it varies. For example, just give one example দরকার নাই কিমান chromosomes আছে human cell
46.
46 or 23 pairs, no? So discovered by the name given by, as far as organisms are concerned, different organisms would have different number of chromosomes, right? I would say chromosomes, as far as shape is concerned, as far as size is concerned, they might vary. We have given the example of a human cell. In case of a human cell, obviously 46 chromosomes থাকে, but 23 pairs of chromosomes থাকে. And if you're talking about the chromatin network, no? Chromosomes কোনে form কৰিছে? Chromatin form কৰিছে. And if you're talking about chromatin, length to চাবা. So কিমান দীঘল? It's almost 2 meter long. So ইমান দীঘল thread like structure এটা তাৰ ভিতৰত কি হ'ব লাগিব DNA খিনি পেকেজিং লাগিব ৰাইট আৰু পেকেজিংৰ কাৰণে হেল্প কৰে স্টোন প্ৰটিনছ বিলাকে হেল্প কৰে Is the point over?
Yes, ma'am.
Next point, a chromosome consists of two identical halves called as K.
Sister chromatids.
Or chromatids. these two chromatids are held together at a point called centromere. This centromere appears as a narrow region which is called primary constriction. Just read the line, see whether you have understood or not. So talking about a chromosome, the normal diagram that we draw, right? I mean, next class of structure of a chromosome, proper ke rakhi. This is just a rough diagram that we are drawing now.
Ma'am, primary constriction है constriction.
Sorry. Primary constriction. Also be called as primary constriction. And talking about this is a chromosome. Egita kami ki boli no? Chromatid. Right? Specifically থাকিব লাগিব because we know centromere covering থাকে না, this shape covering, and that is called as kinetochore. সেইবিলাক আমি যেতিয়া structure of chromosomes কৰিম, at that time we will be discussing. As of now, today we have just started the chromosome part. We know that chromosomes বিলাক কোনে form কৰে, chromatin network form কৰে because of condensation, right? Talking about chromosomes, the structure something looks like this, right? So they have two identical parts that is called as chromatids, and both the two chromatids are at a point, and this point is called as the centromere. It is also referred to other region. So this is all for today. Ekhinte will wind up the class. In the next class, structure of chromosomes fully heading kori thoi dia. Detailed structure of each and every part that you see inside the chromosome is something that we are going to discuss. Ekhinloke kiba doubts asile neki? Okay then, since you have no doubts, so we'll wind up the class today. We'll meet you on the next class. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.